So far, we have learned about lists. Lists help us store multiple values in one variable. And the best thing about lists is we can change them. We can add values. We can remove values. We can modify values. If I run this code, the changes I made will be applied and displayed. Yes, you can see, our fruit list is updated. But now think about this. What if we have some data that should never change? For example, days of the week, months of the year. We don't want anyone to accidentally modify them. So what's the solution? Python gives us something called a tuple. A tuple is almost like a list. But with one big difference, a tuple cannot be changed after it is created. That means, no adding, no removing, no modifying. Once created, it stays fixed. Now let's see how to create a tuple. Instead of square brackets like lists, we use round brackets. This is a tuple. As I told you, tuple cannot be changed. If I use same operations like add, remove, update for tuple as well, so these operations will not work here. Let me run. Yes, there is an error, as tuple cannot be changed, like append, remove, etc. Now, can we access values? Yes, just like lists, tuples use index numbers starting from 0. Let's say, I write one index, and run the code. The output, banana, is correct, so we can say that, in tuples, we can access any element by the index. Let's see another example to access an element. This will print 20, so accessing works the same. But now let's try changing it. Change means, I want to change 0 index element by 100, so first you think, how can I change? So the simple answer is no. This will give an error. Why? Because tuples are immutable. Immutable means, cannot be changed. So in simple words, if you want data that can change, use a list. If you want data that should stay fixed, use a tuple. One important thing, if you want to create a tuple with only one value, you must add a comma. Like this, x equals 5. Without the comma, Python thinks it's just a normal number. So today we learned, what is a tuple, why we use it, difference between list and tuple, what immutable means. In the next video, we will practice tuple challenges and see some tricky questions. See you soon, my dears, in next video.